Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Prashant Kumar Gautam from University Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management, Punjab University, Chandigarh. Dear learners, today we are going to take module Introduction to Tourism under the paper Special Interest Tourism. After studying this module, you will be able to know about the concept of tourism. To know the concept of tourist, you will be in a position to differentiate among tourist, traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. Introduction. As a body of knowledge, tourism is to know about tour and travel activities. It covers visit to different places, travel formalities and different requirements for smooth running of tour and travel activities. The tourism activities are getting more creative and innovative with the passage of time. These activities are not just inclined to visits to different tourist spots at various destinations, but also included numerous recreational activities and specialized services. Tourism activities refer to movement or displacement of people to destinations outside the places of their residence to different places for fun and recreation for short durations. Each tourism activity has an element of travel, but each traveling activity does not necessarily mean tourism. Tourism involves traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for less than a year, with main purpose of travel other than the exercise of an activity remunerated from the places visited. Tourism activities exclude trips within the area of usual residence and frequent and regular trips between the domicile and the workplace and other community trips of regular nature. Tourism activities are essential part of individual's lifestyle. Besides, the importance of tourism in economic changes, human socio-cultural activities and environmental development. It is concerned with linkage of individuals with themselves. The tourism field is vast, complex and multifaceted, and there are number of subjects related to tourism. The present module will help you to go through basics of tourism phenomena, concept of tourist and traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. Dear learners, let's take concept of and history of tourism. Tourism is to know about different tour and travel operations, and it is base for tourism business across the globe. With industrial revolution, rise in standard of living and continuous assistance of media in motivating people to utilize tour packages in their leisure time has resulted in growth of tourism business. Tourism business has not only been confined to large cities and historic sites but also penetrated to villages across different nations. Let's have a brief look of history of tourism. Roman Empire period. During the Roman Empire period, about 27 BC to AD 476, traveling was adopted for military concern, trade activities as well as for communication of messages from the Union government to distant states and territories. Artists and architects across the world traveled to design and construct the great palaces and tombs. People visited the venue of Olympic Games to experience different sports activities and witness athletes from across the globe. Accommodation and food services was required by both participants of Olympic Games as well as spectators from across the world, and thus many service providers evolved. Romans traveled to seaside resorts in Greece and Egypt for exploring and recreation purposes. Middle Age period. During Middle Age period, there was growth of travel for religious reasons. There was development of organized tour for pilgrims to visit their worship places such as Muslims to Mecca and Christians to Jerusalem and Rome, etc. 16th century. Industrial revolution in England led to a new type of tourism that was focused upon broadening of experiences and exploration of unexplored cultures. 17th century. In the 17th century, family members of the British aristocracy traveled throughout Europe in order to improve their knowledge about different places across the world. Grand Tour was introduced, which became an essential part of training of administrators across the world. Industrial Revolution period. The Industrial Revolution from about AD 1750 to 1850 generated huge tourist traffic in Europe. This period turned most people from basic agriculture practices into town, factory, and urban ways of life. There was a rapid growth of the wealth and education level of the middle class, as well as an increase of leisure time and the demand for tourism activities in holidays. Travel for health became important as the rich and fashionable Europeans began to visit the spa towns such as Bath in England and Baden in Germany, and seaside resorts in England such as Scarborough, Margate, and Brighton. Altogether, the Industrial Revolution led to a revolutionary change in tourism industry of Europe. 19th and 20th centuries. In the 19th and 20th centuries, the social and technological changes made huge impact on tourism. Great advances in science and technology led towards invention of rapid, safe, and relatively cheap forms of transport. The railways were invented in the 19th century and the passenger aircraft in the 20th century. World War II between 1939 to 1945 was also responsible for dramatic improvements in communication and air transportation, which made travel much easier and affordable. 1980s. The 1980s were called the boom year as business and leisure travel expanded very rapidly. The baby boomers were coming of age and had the money to spend in different leisure and recreational activities. These tourists were looking for a variety of travel products from exciting service providers such as adventure travel, ecotourism, and luxurious travel, culinary tourism, and heritage tourism, etc. There was a significant expansion in the travel market and also in different tourist destinations. Russia and Czech Republic became new tourism destinations for leisure and business travelers across the world. 1990s. The aviation industry was having operational costs including wage, oil prices, handling fee of Central Reservation System CRS, landing charges of the aircrafts and advertising fee, etc., making air travel more costly. During this decade, CRS was introduced and it made possible for agents to book a huge inventory of travel products such as hotels, car rentals, cruises, rail passes, and theatre tickets. The use of electronic ticket brought benefits to the airlines by reducing the cost of paperwork and cost of tickets. At the same time, passengers were provided with alternatives to tackle the conditions like carrying or losing tickets. Although electronic ticketing does not bypass the travel agents as intermediaries, it makes easier for the airline to deal directly with consumers, making short notice or instant travel possible. The advancement in technology also allowed the airlines and various travel suppliers to sell tickets directly to tourists, visitors, travelers with the help of internet and interactive kiosks at airport. The kiosks at the airport usually sell hotels accommodation, transfer tickets such as bus tickets between airport and downtown areas and coach tickets to different places. Tourists can also easily use internet in order to reach for travel information, book a simple ticket, hotel room through their smartphones and desktops, laptops at home. Meaning of tourism. The word tourism is an assemblage of two words, tour and ism. The word tour means movement of individual from one place to another for different activities like leisure, recreation, educational orientation and participation in any event, etc. The word ism means to know any ongoing activity, phenomenon, concept or theory, etc. Thus, tourism means to know about tour and travel activities and various requirements and formalities associated with them. The word tourism was originated from Greek word tournos in 16th century, which means an ancient tool in the shape of a circle or wheel. The word turned into tourist and then tourism. Definition of tourism by UNWTO. UNWTO and various authors have defined tourism as follows. Tourism comprises the activities of persons traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for not more than one consecutive year for leisure, business and other purposes. Tourism definition according to McIntosh and Goldner given in 1986. Tourism is the sum of the phenomena and the relationship arising from the interaction of tourists, business suppliers, host government and host community in the process of attracting and hosting these tourists and other visitors. Tourism definition according to Northern Arizona University, Parks and Recreation Management. Tourism is a collection of activities, services and industries that delivers a travel experience including transportation, accommodations, eating and drinking establishments, retail shops, entertainment businesses, activity, facilities and other hospitality services provided for individuals or groups traveling away from home. Tourism definition according to Matheson and Wall given in 1982 created a good working definition of tourism as the temporary movement of people to destination outside their normal places of work and residence, the activities undertaken during their stay in those destinations and the facilities created to cater to their needs. Distinctiveness of tourist. The word tourist has been originated from Greek word tournos, which means an ancient tool in the shape of wheel or circle. The word tournos changed the tourist and subsequently into tourism. If we revolve a wheel, it regains the similar position from where it started. Similar is the case of a circle. The starting point is assessed after drawing of full circle. A tourist is a person who travels to destination outside his or her usual place of residence or work spot and stays there for 24 hours or more for leisure, recreation or business. A tourist is distinct from traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. Primary concern for a tourist include safety, health hazard and the crime rate, especially theft at the destination, etc. Personal safety. Tourists must avoid places of high crime rates, places where wars are taking place and terrorist hit places. Tourists must also notice places of emergency exits in order to react to situations of fire or terrorist attacks, etc. money and valuable. Tourists must buy traveler checks to minimize the possibility of losing the cash. Tourists must not keep the traveler's check, credit cards and cash in same place. Tourists must put valuable at safe place in a hotel. Tourists must carry their travel documents with them. Tourists must have photocopies of one's travel documents in order to avoid hassle when the originals are lost. Tourists must have emergency contact numbers. Health. Tourists must check places for various precautions like epidemic hit places. Tourists must find out the sanitation conditions of the country to be visited in order to find out whether there is a requirement of sanitary actions. Tourists must bring one's personal first aid kit. Tourists eat carefully in order to avoid minor and major health issues. Types of tourists. Various types of tourists are as follows. Types of tourists. Broadly, there are three types of tourists as follows. International tourists, people who visit other countries than their native country for fun and enjoyment, etc. Domestic tourist, tourism activity in which people of native country visit different places within the same country. Regional tourist, tourism activity in which people visit places located within a region or intra-regional or between region like inter-regional in native country. The tourist can further be categorized on different basics like distance, direction, number, etc. as follows. On the basis of distance, long haul tourist, the tourist beyond 3000 kilometers, short haul tourist who travel within 3000 kilometers. On the basis of direction of travel, inbound tourist, outbound tourist. On the basis of travel pattern, FIT, free independent tour or tourist, GIT, group inclusive tour or tourist. On the basis of number, mass tourist, selective tourist. On the basis of budget, elite tourist, budget tourist. Traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. Traveler, traveler may be elaborated as a person who is taking a trip within or outside his/her own country of residence, irrespective of the purpose of travel, means of transport used and budget of visit. One who travels especially to distant lands is called a traveler. Visitor. Visitor is a person who visits different places for meeting friends, relatives, surveys, work and business purpose, etc. There are mainly two types of visitors as follows. International visitor. International visitor is a person who travels to a country other than that in which he/she has his or her usual residence but outside his or her usual environment for a period not exceeding 12 months and whose main purpose of visit is other than the exercise of remunerative activity. Domestic visitor. Domestic visitor is a person staying in a country who travels to a place within the country and outside his or her usual environment for a period not surpassing 12 months and whose purpose of visit is other than the execution of remunerative activity. Transit. Transit are those who do not leave the transit area of the airport or the port in certain countries and he or she may involve a stay of 1 day or more. They are included in the visitor statistics as they make their halt for few hours only. Excursionist. According to McIntosh and Goldner in 1986, excursionists are those persons who travel for pleasure for a period less than 24 hours. They visit the place for fun, recreation, and refresh themselves and return to their usual place of residence within 24 hours without making any night stay. Difference among tourist, traveler, visitor, transit, and excursionist. Tourist. Tourist is a person who visits place other than his usual place of residence for more than 24 hours and less than a year for recreation, fun and enjoyment, etc. Whereas traveler is any person who is taking a trip within or outside his or her own country of residence irrespective of the purpose of travel, means of transport used, one who travels especially to distant lands for variety of purposes. Visitor is a person who visits different places for meeting friends, relatives, surveys, work and business purpose, etc. Transit who do not leave the transit area of the airport or the port in certain countries. Transit may involve a stay or 1 day or more. In this case, they should be included in the visitor statistics as they make their halt for few hours only. Excursionists, visitors who do not spend at least one night in the country visited, although they might visit the country during 1 day or more and return to their ship or train to sleep. A tourist travels to experience different cultures, aspects, cuisines and have fun, etc. Traveler covers significant distance on routine basis or at certain period of time for different activity. A visitor travel to meet friends, patients, relatives, etc. Transit, it involves small halt. Excursionists, they are day traveler only and do not spend any night there. A tourist utilizes visa, traveler no tourist visa, visitor no tourist visa, transit they use transit visa, excursionist no tourist visa. Tourist do not visit places for remuneration, traveler may travel for remuneration, visitor they may travel for remuneration, transit they may travel for remuneration, excursionist may travel for remuneration for his overall visit. Dear learners, let's summarize the module. After reading this module, you might have known the concept of tourism and tourist, various definitions of tourism given by UNWTO and many other social scientists. Tourism is to know about tour and travel activities. It covers visit to different places, travel formalities and different requirements for smooth running of tour and travel activities. The tourism activities are getting more creative and innovative with the passage of time. These activities are not just inclined to visits to different tourist spots at various destinations, but also included numerous recreational activities and specialized services. Tourism means the temporary short-term movement of people to destinations outside the places where they normally live and work, and it also covers their activities during their stay at these tourist destinations. Further, a tourist is a person who travels to destinations outside his or her residence and working places and stays for at least 24 hours for the purpose of leisure or business. The students might have been familiar with types of tourists. This module elaborates the concepts of traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. After reading this module, you must be in a position to differentiate between tourist, traveler, visitor, transit and excursionist. Traveler is a person who undergoes trip within or outside his or her own country of residence irrespective of the purpose of travel, the means of transport used, even though he or she may be traveling on foot. One who travels especially to distant land for different purposes. Visitor is a person who visits different places for meeting friends, relatives, surveys, work and business purposes, etc. Transit are those who do not leave the transit area of the airport or the port in certain countries. Transit may involve a stay of one day or more. In this case, they should be included in the visitor statistics as they may make their stay for few hours only. Visitors are those persons who do not spend at least one day in the country visited. However, they visit the country during one day or more and return to their place. Thank you.